In this video, we will show you how to link your Bliss motorized window treatments to Amazon Alexa. If you have not downloaded the Amazon Alexa app, please do this now. To begin, make sure that you are signed into Amazon Alexa prior to setup. Open the Amazon Alexa app. Tap the More icon and select Skills and Games. Then tap the top right Search icon, enter Bliss Automation by Alta to search, and select Bliss Automation by Alta. Tap the icon when it appears, then tap Enable to Use to continue the setup. Enter your Bliss app account email and password on the linking page to link your account to Amazon Alexa. On the screen you will see, your Bliss Automation by Alta account has been successfully linked. Tap Close to continue. Tap the Discover Devices button. Alexa will begin to search for your devices. When the search bar reaches 100%, the screen will have a message that your devices have been found and connected. Tap Next, and the Alexa app will show you a list of connected devices. The app will ask you to choose which devices to set up first. Click on the device you wish to set up and tap Set Up Device. Then tap Continue. If you have multiple devices, just repeat this process for each device. Your window treatments have now been connected to your Amazon Alexa. To see a list of your paired devices, tap Devices and then All Devices. From here, you can make any changes or edits to your paired window treatments. If you have any scenes set up in your Bliss app, you can view them here by going to Devices and Scenes. Next, we will show you how to use your Alexa to control your window treatments. There are basic voice commands such as Alexa, open roller.
Okay.
You can also tell Alexa to close any window treatments. Make sure that you are using the names you entered when setting the shades up in the Bliss app. You can also be more precise with your positioning by saying something along the lines of, Alexa, move roller to 75%.
Okay.
Please note that not all shades and blinds support the percentage control. If you are in the Alexa app and would like to control your device manually, you can do that too. Just select the shade from the All Devices section and use the slider to position your shade. To control a preset scene with your voice, simply tell Alexa to turn on that scene. Your shades will now move to the programmed scene.